In today's video, we'll be diving into the Xapo Debit Card, a popular choice for those who want to spend their cryptocurrency in the real world. But how does it really stack up? Let's break it down. First, Xapo offers a seamless link between your crypto wallet and a traditional debit card. This means you can spend your Bitcoin or other supported cryptocurrencies almost anywhere, just like a regular debit card. One of the key benefits is the convenience of using your crypto balance in everyday transactions without having to manually convert your funds beforehand. However, this convenience comes with some costs and limitations. Xapo charges fees for many of its services, and these can add up if you're not careful. For example, there are fees for card issuance, ATM withdrawals, currency conversions, and even account inactivity. This makes it important to understand the full terms of service before committing to the card. Another advantage is the security that Xapo offers. It's known for its strong security features, including multi-signature wallets and cold storage for your cryptocurrency, which adds a layer of protection for your assets. So, if security is a priority for you, Xapo excels in this area. On the downside, while the card is convenient for crypto enthusiasts, the fees can be a major drawback. If you're not using the card frequently, or you need to withdraw funds often, those fees can really eat into your balance. There's also the limitation of supported cryptocurrencies. Xapo may not support every coin you hold, so be sure to check that beforehand. The services provided by Xapo go beyond just the debit card. The platform offers a wallet, exchange services, and even banking-like features for storing your fiat currencies. This makes it an all-in-one solution for managing both your traditional and digital finances. When it comes to cost, Xapo is transparent, but it's crucial that you read the fine print. Some users have reported surprise fees, especially when using the card internationally or for frequent ATM withdrawals. Always check the terms to make sure you're not caught off guard. In conclusion, the Xapo Debit Card is a great tool for people who want to integrate their cryptocurrency with everyday spending. It has a lot to offer, especially for those who value security and ease of use. But like any financial tool, it's not without its drawbacks, particularly in the fees department. If you found this review helpful and want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share this video.